COVID-19 versus Kansas City real estate market update for the month of April. So in this video, we are going to go over what is happening in Kansas City right now and our March key metric statistics. So this is all the numbers, the language of real estate of what happened in the month of March. And then we're going to talk about real estate moving forward. Hey guys, it's Alina, your realtor, and I'm so excited you came and are watching my video. To stay informed on all things Kansas City, everything that's going on in our city and our housing market, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and let's get right into it. COVID-19 was spreading for the last several months, and we didn't really see an impact in Kansas City up until about beginning of last month. We started to really hear about it in the news, and we were like, what is this? What's going to happen? And then mid-March, we went into stay-at-home order to prevent spread, to protect public health. And so we as a city adopted the stay-at-home order. And so, and then we've been in it for a month now. Hard to believe, right? How crazy our lives have changed. We're working out of our homes. We're just, social life is now on Zoom calls. It's been interesting. I know for me as an extrovert, it's really been something that I had to adapt to. So it's been interesting time for sure. And so what I get a lot is, okay, we get everything's going on in this world. How is this affecting real estate? Well, let's look at key metrics for the month of March. So in 2019, we're going to go over this year over year just to get the big picture. So for closed sales in 2019, we had 2,866 homes sold. And this year, for March 2020, 3,057 homes sold. So just a 6.7% increase, very similar. Average sales price last year was $238,061. This year, we have a 7.6% increase in purchase price to $256,063. Now, this is the average sales price in the metro area. Median sales price, we also saw an increase. So last year, $209,975. This year, $225,000. So median sales price, this would be 50% of the homes sold are under this price, and 50% of the homes sold are above this purchase price. So there we have our median sales price, which really paints the picture of where our market truly is in the metro area for the purchase price. Days on market, last year 62 days, this year 2020 March 60 days. Very similar. We were in a seller's market and we remained in a seller's market this year. So this really just goes to show percentage of the original list price received. Last year it was 96.5%. This year, 97.5%. So pretty much what this is showing is in the Kansas City metro area, people are receiving very close to what they are asking. This could be above their original list price or below their original list price. But 97.5% of the time, they are getting their original list price. So we can see that here we don't really have much room for negotiations. It is going to be very close, if not what the list price is, very, very close to the list price. So pending sales, last year we were at 3,799. Pending sales, this is the houses under contract at the moment. And this year, 3,763 homes. So just a couple homes off. Inventory, last year we had 7,632 homes available for sale. This year, March 2020, we have 5,987 homes available for sale. Now, so we went into our stay-at-home order mid-March, around March 13th, I believe it was, March 14, 15, and right around that time, real estate, we started to have those conversations with our sellers of, can they wait? If they can wait, let's wait off. And then sellers themselves are like, you know, this isn't really urgent. let's wait until stay at home is lifted, let's not have people in through the homes. And so we can see the drop off, and I believe the people who need to move kept their homes up on for sale, and then those where it wasn't urgent took their homes off. And that goes the same with buyers. There are some buyers who need to move, and so they continue to need the home. So we moved into virtual showings, virtual conversations, Zoom calls, once again, Google Hangouts, all that. So, it's been a different kind of way of showing homes. So now we're doing a lot of video tours. So it's been a change with that. So we can see that inventory kind of dropped off a little bit, and supply. So last year, 2019, we had 2.3 months of supply available. In 2020, 1.8 months of supply available for sale. So this means that if no other homes go on the market, we have 1.8 months of supply available of homes for potential buyers to choose. So we can see supply is very low. Now, looking at the numbers, these numbers look great. So moving forward, there's going to be signs of whether or not we're going to face a market shift. Will these numbers continue, or are they going to shift a bit? Are we going to start to see more inventory, less buyers? Now, with home prices and real estate, two very big key indicators that I like to look at is, are buyers able to purchase a home? Do they have financing? Do they have cash? Now in February, stock markets started to decline. So a lot of people who have their investments in stock markets, they started to see that already. So that's something that we have to look at, the affordability of buyers to even be able to purchase a home. And then right around that time, with all that volatility in the financial markets, lenders started to implement stricter restrictions for who they would finance. And so therefore, now it just comes down to, is the buyer able to get a loan? Do they have cash to buy a house? So those are some key things that we need to look out for. And then also another thing is unemployment. So where is unemployment at? We know that the first week when our country adopted that stay-at-home order, about 6.6 million people initially filed unemployment. So, it really just comes down to our Kansas City. How's Kansas City as a city doing? Are we still employed? Going forward, we might see a slowdown. These numbers indicate that, there's people who need to buy a house. We don't have enough inventory. And but then also we have to remember that there's a lot going on in this world right now, and we should really look out for the signs, be aware, be very informed, check in with what's going on. COVID-19 for sure has made an impact on all of us, locally, statewide, nationally, globally. And so just remember, be informed, stay empowered, and we're going to get through this together.